Here's today's tip on how to make your math professor fall in love with you, or how to effectively communicate with your math professor. Be proactive. Being proactive and anticipating next steps makes you a valuable team member in any field. Here's what being proactive can look like. I've had students let me know when they're going to miss class before that class day occurs. I got an email from a student once saying, "Hey, I'm going to miss class tomorrow because of a career fair and interview that I have at that time. I'm going to look over the posted class notes after class and check in with the classmate to see what I missed. Let me know if there's anything else I need to do to make up for the missed class." I really appreciated this. This person was proactive. They let me know in advance they weren't going to be in class. And they also anticipated next steps. They outlined what they were going to do to make up the material. This person was proactive and looking ahead. That email showed initiative, and I appreciate it. Hope your communication goes well. Thanks for watching.